How can you find an airdropped web page on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So if you are sharing your web pages over airdrop, well, it kind of behaves a little bit different because usually you can only do it through Safari, right? Because, like different web browsers don't really support it. But when you just share your web page like this, you click on the three dots, tap on share and choose airdrop, and that it's going to be delivered to the other iPhone. But once you click on accept, it will just open it straight up into the Safari, right? So it doesn't save it into any of your bookmarks. It's not part of your like folders, or it's not getting saved anywhere as a URL, but it just gets opened through your Safari, or perhaps other web browser if you have a different default one selected. But when you share, the point is that when you share the airdrop web page to a different iPhone, when you share it over airdrop, it will be opened up right away through your default web browser. And the only way to find it is sort of like start browsing the open tabs, and it is possible that it's going to be somewhere in there. So perhaps if you want to store the web page, make sure that you share it somehow differently, like you can share it over email as a link or messages, or plenty of different other options are available. But airdrop opens the web page right away. So that's how it works. That's what I quickly wanted to explain in this video. If you found it useful, hit the thumbs up and let me know. Subscribe for sort of like these similar tutorials and videos like this in the future as well, and I'll talk to you soon.